Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connection so you can test reliably. Plug the keyboard into a known good USB port or verify batteries and Bluetooth pairing. If wired, try a different cable. Once connected, make sure the OS detects the device and open the system keyboard settings or an on-screen tester. Press a few keys to watch input indicators. If nothing appears, change ports and check for debris under keycaps, because physical faults are often the simplest cause. Now you perform detailed functional tests to pinpoint failures. Open a key tester online or the OS key viewer and press each key, noting missed or repeated inputs. This reveals stuck matrix rows. Then check modifiers by holding Shift, Control, Alt, and combining keys to ensure proper scanning. Once done, connect the keyboard to a second computer or device. Consistent failure across machines indicates hardware. Intermittent faults suggest drivers, software conflicts, or finish by applying fixes depending on the cause you found. If software-related, uninstall and reinstall keyboard drivers, update firmware, or repair Bluetooth. Make sure to reboot after changes. For physical issues, remove keycaps and clean switches with compressed air or isopropyl. Replace damaged keycaps or switches, or seek PCB-level repair for complex faults. If problems persist, try a powered USB port or hub to rule out power insufficiency. This one tip often separates intermittent failures from permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.